Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from Amazon Basics, as you can see in the box. Pinch Pleat comforter set, king size, dark gray. Good friends over in China. So we'll check them out. And like I said, if you like this style, all you gotta do, click the link, add it to your cart. Check it out really fast, and they ship this fast. And also check out the different styles they have and the sizes. So, but this is the king size you guys want to get, and I'll show you one of the best beds I ever slept on in my life. This bed is amazing with the 8 sleep pod. This will go perfect with. But if you guys want a new bed, also the link will be down below. And I'm telling you, that's the best bed I ever slept on. So comfortable. Really cool, the smart technology. But this is a normal comforter set. Bada boom. Nice gray to it. Kind of like a dark gray. Make sure you cut the package, not the material. Do it nice and easy. There we go. And make sure you wash them, because you never know. Especially with shipping, packaging and stuff like that. You might want to wash these. So I'm going to wash them and then put them on the bed. Show you all that good stuff in this video. So grab some popcorn. Hit the follow button, subscribe button. And give them a thumbs up. Comments are gone because of the YouTube for Kids. I am on over there now. So that's why they disabled the comments. So, but this, give me a thumbs up, share the video. What is a nice. Ooh. There's my dog. Woof. He's camera shy. Really nice. Nice and comfy. There's a pinch. See, there you go. Bloop. And bam. Really cool. Alright, I'm going to unfold this, throw it in the wash, and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. Dog is approved of this comforter. He likes camera shy, told you. Doesn't like being filmed. So this is a nice little gray they have. He could jump. Yeah, he likes it. So definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Like I said, this is a king size comforter with the 2 pillowcases. Pinch. Come from Amazon Basics. Really nice. Really comfy. Definitely have a good night's sleep. And like I said, this is an 8 sleep pod right here. Where you could heat up your bed, cool down your bed. You can see your statistics on your sleep patterns, your heartbeats and everything. But really cool mattress to get. And like I said, I'll have the links down below for the mattress also. They got really good deals going on also too. But this is a king size. There you go. Really nice. They got the pinch right there. There you go. See, he's gone. Really cool. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day. See you guys soon.